Hey guys, it's Tessie. I got the boys, David and Hunter, Dilly Doo, and we have another day of lovely, cold, rainy weather on the weekend. So we're going to Jump Jam. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot my mask.
Well, that's bad. Is that bad?
And so that's what it looks like after 25 days of radiation. I don't have to have radiation on my neck next week, so that's the worst of it. Anywho, we'll let you know how Jump Jam goes. They're so excited. This is what privilege looks like when they could just stay in the car and not care that we're at Jump Jam.
They don't even know.
Don't even know. Crazy kids.
My name is Tessie, and this is my son Hunter. This is our story.
So this is Jump Jam, where I'm from in Knoxville. And it's a pretty cool setup. So I can hang up here if I want. They've got these leather couches, and today they got the Notre Dame game on right now. Well, commercials are on, but it was on, so I was catching up on that. And then the kids are jumping down behind me. So this place is super dope. The boys were right over there on the obstacle course a second ago. But I normally would jump with them instead of watch. Like, I would keep an eye on the game, but I would normally jump with them, but with my neck the way it is, I don't want to risk getting an infection. So, and I forgot to bring a mask. Jesse's gonna kill me. So I really need to try to stay away from downstairs as much as I can. It's only an hour. But kind of sad, I'm missing out. This place is super dope fun. Like, that's right, super dope fun. What are you guys doing? What are you building? A fort that I can knock down?
No!
Now, don't forget, Dylan's blind, so don't lose him in here. Right, Dylan? Stay to the edges of the pool. No, you guys totally, you need to build it up there, Hunter. Yeah. I'm just trying to get him to build this so I can throw them into it and knock them down. This is my favorite thing about this place. Destroying what the kids do. I get to be like the mean under the bridge troll and play it off that I'm a fun mom. It's amazing. I'm gonna show you soon. Look at my son, always picking up the ladies. This cute girl just walks over and is like, "Can I help you? What am I gonna do?" Whoa, be careful. David, where are you? He's gone. Suffocate him. She says, knock down my fort. This is what you get, bully. Dylan, you look like an Oompa Loompa that's being swallowed by the river. Get him out of the river! Here, grab my Laffy Taffy arm. Save the child! Save him! Oh, alright, he's getting frustrated. I gotta save him. Oh, buddy. I want to jump in there on top of them so bad. Probably end up in the hospital for 5 days. Like, when else do you have an excuse to totally belly flop on your child? I feel like I'm missing out right now. I would love to body slam him so hard. And he laughs. It's amazing. If you're afraid to come to jump gym, you're totally missing out. Like, I want to body slam him right now. We normally have so much fun. But I don't want to end up in the hospital this week because I touched some foam disease cube. I'd have lost Dylan forever. I'm definitely not going in there after him. Dylan, can you breathe? Do you know which way is up and which way is down? He's alive! So this is my personal favorite thing at Jump Jam. It's this course. It's this course right here behind me. It's got these hoops, and there's like these little Mario things you can jump on over here. Hunter and I like to race on it. It's soft. There's a couple trampolines and
red-colored wristband. Your time is now up. Once again, if you have on a red-colored wristband, your time is now up.
Ropes and stuff. But when I'm not jumping, I'm trying to find the kids right now, and I guarantee I know where they are. This one's cool too, but it's harder, and Hunter doesn't do as good, so he won't race me on it. It's not as much fun. I bet that the boys are going to be playing dodgeball. Oh, yep, I saw one. There's Hunter and David right back there. Do you see him?
Oh no.
Oh, sorry, babe. I don't know where Dylan is. On the hunt for Dilly-Doo. Dylan and David are taking out their brotherly love on each other. And for some reason, Hunter's ganged up against David. Probably because he's the toughest. We're crossing the line, David, you cheater. Big brother love right there. This is why Jump Jam is actually very valuable to parents. Passed out. He's exhausted. He's had a really fun weekend.
Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, hit the alert button, and follow my crazy family. Don't forget to let your light shine.